First this afternoon, after more than a week of jury interviews, the men and women who will decide the outcome of Adam Fravel's murder trial have been chosen. On day 8 of jury selection in Blue Earth County, 17 individuals, including 5 alternates, are ready to hear opening arguments on Thursday. The panel will ultimately determine whether Fravel is guilty of first and second degree murder for the death of Madeline Kingsbury. KIMT News 3's Brandon Cote is joining us in studio this afternoon. Brandon, you've clearly been covering the proceedings for us from Mankato since last week. Can you give us an idea of what to expect in court over the next few days?
Yeah, definitely, Jess. So the prosecution and defense are set to make opening statements to the finalized jury at the Blue Earth County Justice Center tomorrow morning. We do have a sense of how the prosecution plans to outline its case against Fravel based on last month's pretrial hearings. The state will call on testimony from Kingsbury's parents, sister, and friends about Fravel's alleged history of domestic violence against the mother of his children. On the other hand, the defense has yet to reveal any sort of strategy when it comes to proving Fravel's innocence. In all, there are around 150 witnesses expected to take the stand throughout the course of the murder trial. Now, some of the other individuals included on the witness list are dozens of law enforcement officers from different agencies in southeastern Minnesota.
Brandon, as we do talk about those witnesses, you mentioned around 150, I think 140 are going to be appearing for the prosecution.
Yep.
Do we know yet if Fravel is taking the stand?
So we do not know yet. His lawyers have not mentioned anything like that in the pretrial hearings I attended last month, and then the jury selection interviews throughout the past week. And even all day I've been looking through all these court documents, and there has been no mention of Fravel taking the stand to testify.
Okay, we'll have to follow those developments.
Yep.
Thank you, Brandon.
Of course, yep.
Witnesses will be sequestered throughout the trial and won't be allowed inside the courtroom. KIMT News 3 will, of course, be in Mankato for the opening statements tomorrow. As always, you can stay up to date with the latest live developments as we closely follow trial proceedings both on air and online at KIMT.com.